So a big question we get here at Don's Appliance is, why does my washer smell? Whether it be a front load washer, top load washer, where we're seeing this is on our high efficiency machines. So if you have an older machine that uses a lot of water, you're not going to have that problem. But a big reason why you're getting those odors, you're still using the same amount of detergent that you used on your old washer with your new washer. And what I mean by that is, your old machine, you typically would use a cap full of detergent. And when you get a new machine, you have to buy high efficiency detergent, but you're still getting the same type cap. More is not better in terms of washing machine detergent. This is what a cup of detergent looks like. Your old machine could handle this because of the amount of water that it uses. Your new machine uses a fraction of the amount of water. This is way too much detergent. That detergent will sit inside your machine, cause mildew, which thus will cause odors. You need to be using 1 to 2 tablespoons of detergent. This is the equivalent of a cough syrup beaker, 1 to 2 tablespoons. That's actually 1 tablespoon. And if you notice, there's hardly anything in there versus probably what you're using. So never use a full cup of detergent, always use 1 to 2 tablespoons. And if you need to get rid of those odors that are inside your machine now, you need to buy some type of cleaner, like a Fresh. Tide has some cleaners, or you can use natural methods like vinegar, water. That'll clean out the machine. Put 1 to 2 of the tabs inside your front loader or inside your top load machine. Run it on the hottest setting. You should be able to clean out the load. If you find that you still have some residual odors, repeat the step again. If you have any questions about this or any other appliance, go to donsappliances.com or leave a comment below.